So last time we did a recording with... What's up, guys? Actually, first, we did a recording with not the cinematic camera option, so we're going to try that out today. But yeah, so let's see how this comes out. Today we're going back to... I'm having a brain fart. We're going back to Treasure Island for a car meet. Some friends are there. I have friends at 5K who are co-hosting it. There's going to be bottles of stuff there, some photo opportunities. It'll be daytime and just so like a normal touchless car wash. Yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Right behind us is Starbucks, so I'm going to get my Starbucks vanilla sweet cream sugar-free vanilla sweet cream coffee. Yeah, and if I see anything on the way there, I'll let you guys know. Talk to you soon. Peace. Alright, so we've got 24 minutes to go 4 miles because of the... I don't know what's going on, but this shit is red. That's Salt Bridge. And we're going right there. This is the exit. So, if I see anything that goes on in the meantime, this is going to be our life for the next 30 minutes, basically. And when we get back on the cruising area, I'll let y'all know when we're there. So thanks again for hanging around this time. But the Bay Area, you know, gotta love that Bay Area traffic. Alright, we're here at the spot already. And we got the real one group. There's us. Our little 4-cylinder. Another 4-cylinder. We got helmets. And 415. And down there we got some.
Es que Tito es camarógrafo, los camarógrafos lo toman raw, los camarógrafos que viene siendo como se dice sin editar, para después editarlo en cámara.
Mira, ven.
¿No?
Yeah, his own shirt. Going. I'm Marcus, by the way. Yeah. No. I should have just convinced. I should just stuck with it. Oh, you park wherever, man. It's gonna honestly with that group, it's like go all the way down there. Last time we were here, they parked. There was last time I was here was like 2 months ago, and there was like 2 or 3 cars here, all the way down. So they're already doing like photo shoots by the cars, of course by Helmet's car. I'm gonna drop my backpack. Yo. That's E92. Got Sunny's SI, super fit our Continentals too. Daily track. They just come like that too. NorCal SS Customs and Off-Line Racing Group's heading out. Oh, you're on camera now. You gotta do something cool. Do something the kids would do. Nice meeting you. Drive safe. So sick. Such clean fit.
El que la rompe soy yo, me la robo de menor. Ya tú sabes que ya tú sabes que como mata, el monte suena, vamos matando.
Pulled up too. Rippy tires in the back. It's a little low on the sky, so it's alright, and now we're about to head out, so time to go to the next spot. We're gonna go to Hayward so they can hang out with NorCal Racing at his restaurant buy. See you all on the next one. So everyone's heading out right now. Another lost man over there. Later guys, later. Later guys. Nice little burnout, nice little start. Then we got some more of the homies right over here, plus St. Mills. A nice little bridge. And if everyone see behind us, there's a Monster Inn right behind us. Camera, the rear view. There's Oakland. These guys. So we do have a Veloster Inn. Take this exit!
pa' que le traje. Y ella está haciendo un bachillerato. Yo llevo rato comiéndomela, pero no veo rato.
And we finally made it to. We're all parked up now. Muscle, Dark Horse, Vibes. With the trucks, we got some there's some people here too. Good to see you too. It's stock. If anyone asks, it's stock. These two cars are scary, right? Slaves in the back. MK5 Supra. We already heard this thing is loud. This thing is loud. And if we see anything else, I'll let you guys know. We're gonna get a breakdown of the 67 Cougar. This thing is clean. My friend, take a picture. We're taking a picture, man? Go for it. I'm just doing a video. Oh, okay. I'm just doing a little recording of it. Yeah. We see him at Rides by the Bay all the time. This thing is sick. Here as well.
Like, who's that?
Actually, it's one fastback Mustang chilling over here. It's so funny. there?
Huh? Oh, my blackout plate.
Oh, nice.
Because the one that you ordered will probably be. Oh, that's true. Valid though.
Literally just put the tire shot on. Every Tuesday, these are the big ones. They're lunch. This Miata stance is crazy. This is mad, man. I think you can clear it. Oh. Hold on. Yeah, you cleared it. These stands that car are so crazy.
Oh, it's fire. Yeah, I also have it in green.
Hot Wheel collectors. Thank you. I'm making a YouTube too, so I'll put that on. Oh, I put this on YouTube, so.
Okay, bro.
And then your IG is. Oh, Rudy Hopkins. And then you go out to Bay Area shows and stuff.
Yeah,
so,
I'm moving to Monterey week.
okay, are you gonna be Monterey week?
Yeah.
All right, well, have a good week, man.
Yeah, thanks so much, bro.
You guys in the Bay Area? South Bay, Monterey Bay, Rudy will be there. You have a cam on. We're about to head out too, so yeah, I told Lester I would give him some sounds when we head out. But with that, guys, thanks for watching. If I see anything on the way, I'll talk to you. If I see anything on the way, I'll turn the camera on. And then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. There's a Huracan just chilling right there. That's crazy. Sick, man. Like a straight up cow right over here too. It's actually a baby cow. That's crazy. Welcome to Napa. But yeah, that's it for the day, guys. Thanks again for watching for this long. And if you've been watching this long, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Also, this is the second day with this setup. I'm using the cinematic version now. Let me know how this looks. I'll go back to the GoPro with the personal. I guess just to capture the audio and stuff. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Peace.
Working's got me fucked up.
Slow down.
Swear to God, I'm about to lose my mind and hit the
Go now.
work and go to sleep, wake up, repeat, that's how it
Goes now.
8 p.m. or something, I don't know, this town's a joke. Got some cantaloupes and natural calm, I think I'll be alright. I'll write a section for my blessings, what I got and what I don't. Should probably lay down, close my eyes around 11, probably won't. Cause I stress too much, like I'm obsessed with it. I swear anxiety's my bitch and I'ma undress it. Or maybe address it, fuck it, I talk about it too much. Summer went by way too quick, 2 days turned into 2 months. It's hot as fucking September, pounding in my left temple. Cause this bed sucks, I would probably give my left nut to be stress free. On an island in the sea, on a jet ski with a breeze flowing through my teeth. On a beach, sipping tea under the trees. Sometimes I think about what if and I forget about what isn't. I swear it's like I'm locked inside my mind in a prison. I'ma shine, I don't give a shit, I'll just learn to deal with it. This room is cold and dark and man, I really just ain't feeling it. But Call of Duty helps me pass the time until I get back. If you're trying to 1v1, you probably need to sit back. Who I used to be, carefree, man, I miss that. Shout out to my past, current me, here's a diss track. Fuck your stupid panic disorder, you hypochondriac. Life is too short to be missing out. I used to smoke and laugh after work, sitting in my car to the sunlight, rolling up to hit the Xbox, feeling alright. Yeah, shoot for the stars, right? How can I reach them when gravity just hits me broadside? Fuck it, I'm diving into the summit. Maybe I'll make it through and say it wasn't so bad, was it? So I thought about a hook, but I said fuck it, I'ma write it out. Good job, good friends, tell me what's to cry about. Copenhagen on my mind, I guess I'm about to give in. That shit been with me every single lyric that I've written. I guess it's a part of me, yes, it's a problem. It's a battle with some demons, man, I wonder how I got them. I've been at the bottom, I've been full throttle. Need to slow it down a little bit, Ferrari to me out of this office that I'm sitting in, a home away from home. No, I in team, but I would rather sit alone and daydream of what happens when you up and leave your castle to another country. But I wonder, is it worth the hassle? It wasn't, maybe it was, yeah, I don't know exactly. I was searching for some artificial things to make me happy, but I'm glad I did it. I found peace for a minute, I've been feeling empty, yeah, but fuck it, I'ma keep living.